Hello guys, welcome to the next tutorial video of mine. Special caches. In previous videos, I explained about what is the type conversation, how type conversation, what are the important role in type conversation. Okay. In previous video, I explained everything, uh, and I give some overview to you. That is, I explained in previous video. In previous video, I explained in byte is converted into short, short can be converted to end can be converted to long. Also, long is converted to float, float can become double, and also character also convert int. In this format, we can convert. If we are not following the format, then we have get an error, compile time error. We get compile time error. Okay, that means source type B must be compatible with destination type. Okay, if it is not we are not following, we have got an error. Compile time error is called precision loss of precisions. That was explained in previous video. I totally explained in previous video. So today's video is all about special cases. Is there any special cases for conversation? Yes. Keep reading special cases. Today in video I explain totally about special cases. Yes, Java's in this type conversion there is two special cases. There is two special cases. What is the first special case? Special case is a long value can be assigned to float variable, but float variable cannot be assigned to what value? Long variable. Okay. First case is what? Case one. Case one. Case one is called long value. Okay. Long value. Sorry. Long value can be assigned to float. Okay. Float variable, but what float variable but float variable is not assigned. I like short form assigned to long. Okay, this is the first rule. I get your complete clarity. Okay, first case is long variable can assign to float variable, but float variable cannot assign to long variable. Whenever you see the statement, then you have to question why. What is the reason that it is possible? How it is possible? Because of two reasons. First one is float range is greater than the long range. Because float range is greater than the long range, and it you can be check. You can check in the range table. In previous video, I given the range table. You can go and check the range table. First thing is what? Float range is greater than the long range, and second one is float point value cannot be stored in long variable. Float variable float point value cannot be stored long variable. That means we can store float point value in long variable. Okay. As a given, that means long L equal 10. Okay, this is 10. If I declare int I equal to L, it is compile or not compile? It is compile or no? It is not compile. It is give a compile time error. Okay. Suppose I write declare float f1 equal to, suppose I give it 10, and I give that long float f equal to, okay, and I given also, yes, I given float f equal to long, and I explain float f1 equal to 10, and secondly I like long b equal to fn. That means I have to convert float to long. Convert float to long. This is not happening because we cannot convert. Let's see in practical. Even this is to implement I given practical knowledge. Suppose I declare a class called suppose case. Suppose I given test given test suppose 4. Okay, in how I declare long l equal to 10 and like to save it and to go to save and this is my core Java folder. I given edit plus. You can save in it. I am using edit plus. You can save anywhere as you wish. I'm using a software like you know the software's name is edit plus. It is very easiest to compile execute. It is very easy. You can compile and execute as you wish in command prompt, but it is very easy. Okay, if I declare I compile, it is compiled not, it is compiled. Yes, it is compiled. Suppose I like to, yes, I want to display int, I want to convert int I equal to long. Okay, whenever I trying to convert long variable into long variable value integer, they are not converted. It is called so compile time error. What is so it is a compile time error is most important. Precision loss of from long to end. That means if you are trying to convert long to end, there is maybe possible that you have lost your data. So that compiler through error, compile time error, you cannot convert precision loss conversion. Okay, so I want to comment this line. Okay, suppose I want to comment the first line, then I want to compile second one. Suppose I declare float f, float f is equal to long. It's long. As I have given, it is compile or not compile. Simple set is compile. Declare float f is equal to L. And compile, yes, it is not compile because it's showing the error cannot find symbol L. So I have to write that and compile. Yes, it is compile. As a given that float can be converted to long can be converted to float. That means long is converted to float, but float cannot be converted to what? Long. This is the first example. And second one, suppose I declare, yes, understand or not? First case is first case is long can be converted to float, but for float can be converted to long. Okay. Then second case, case two. What about case two? Case two is character and number types are compatible type. Okay, character and number type are compatible. That means both are compatible. So we can assign character literal to number variable and integer literal to character variable. Okay, both are compatible means we can we can character literals to number variable and integer literal to character variable. We can use that form. Okay, so whenever I trying to do this, what is actually background happening? Suppose I like call character ch1 equal to a. Suppose I declare plus ch is equal to a and I want to print system out print ln, then compiler like a, then compiler what is the compiler do that? It convert character. Okay, it convert it is a character is a character type or not? So answer is the character. Is the answer is a. There is suppose same thing I write. I copied this and same thing right. Character two cs2 is equal to I write suppose 97 and I like to output of ch2 and the answer of so sorry it is not character is ch1. Okay, then by default it the compiler and Java converted number to character. as they follow. We can ASCII numbers. They follow ASCII number. If you assign character literal to number variable, JVM store the character as ASCII number. Okay. If you assign number literals to variable, char variable, then JVM that store ASCII variable. Simple that. You can simple understand. If you assign character to number variable, if it directed to number variable, then character number automatically ASCII value compile. JVM give the character ASCII value. If you declare number variable equals to character variable, JVM store number ASCII value. I have to give in some example. Okay, I give you ASCII table. I give an ASCII table. This is all about ASCII table. I want to choose. Okay, if I write 0, if I write 0, the ASCII value is 48. If it 1, 49, 2, 50, 3, 51. This type continue. 9 is a 56. If I write character ch equal to 1, okay, character ch equal to 1, and I want to print system to output println ch1, then I got an answer of 1 instead of 49. Okay, suppose I write character capital A. I like the capital A. Ch character chr b1 is equal to capital A. Then I am from system to output println to see the output. Then I got an answer of capital what 65. This is all about ASCII table. Compiler J also called ASCII table. I gave you practical knowledge, that is give you more knowledge. Okay. I want to show it, and I want to start letter ch1 equal to, okay. Then I want to like to print ch1. Then I want to compile. It is shows the error. Non-static variable cannot refer to static variable. Okay. And to not print. Okay. This is also example. We have got 97 answer. You can if you declare, then you have got answer. Not only about the answer, but you have get answer. You get the answer. Okay. If you want to find the output, simple place in the main. Okay. System. Then write system dot out dot println. Print simple print ch1. Whenever you give out display, simple it is compile. It is not do not throw any error. Give out a. This is character. When you want to character literal to a numbers. I give another example character cs2 equal 90. So I give a 97. Then I get the answer. I like give this is not good cs2. You compile it is easily compile no compiler, and you give the output a. That means whenever you are storing the literal character literal variable, okay, to number variable, they will store ASCII value of number character number. And if you assign number literals to character, automatically convert into number. Okay, suppose instead of this is character, I want to int I1 equal to 98. I want 98 and give them the a and the declare I1 and compile it. Let's compile. And what is the output? Please look at the output 98. It is give 98. It gives 98. Okay. So for same thing, I to declare I I2 equal to, I declare character. Declare a character like I declare B. B is a character. I declare C. What is the output is given? Output is simple. Output is simple. Is a what? It's a number. Whenever we assign number literal to character variable, here and I is a number literal. I want to assign character E, then I give a compiler give a number ASCII. Compile Please look at the answer is 98. Second answer 98. Yeah. Okay. Fine. I think you get a clarity about that. Okay. Second thing, Java support character set of super set of ASCII character set. ASCII character range is 0 to 225. Okay. 0 to 225. 0 to 225. The base I have given some some practice bit here. Character CHQA. Whenever I write character CH1 and you the output system output println. Sorry. System output println. Suppose yeah. I think it is gone through. Sorry, I think it is some gone through some technical problem. Okay, fine. That is, I think this is enough to understand you. Simple two things remember. Long value can be assigned to float variable, but float variable cannot assign to long. Okay, please note two, three example. And second thing, character and number type is compatible. I think I have given one another thing. If you assign then character literal, if you assign, character literal, if you assign character literals, okay, if you assign character literals to number literals, number variable, then answer remember compiler and JVM convert into character ASCII. Character ASCII. Inverse number literal, assign number literal to character literal, character variable. Answer give JVM give number ASCII. ASCII. Okay, this is your two things I want to give you, and remember it. And I think another case is happen. Another case is what? Another case is special character. Special character. Special character is question. So character question. When you get this answer question, okay, answer is very simple. If you assign numbers corresponding character is not supported by your computer, okay. If you assign the number corresponding character is not supporting by your computer, JVM initially store the special character question mark. Okay. By default, Windows always support only ASCII character set of assigning number values behind zero. Behind what? Behind behind 0 to 255. 0 to 255 range. 0 to 255 range internally store question character. Okay. Question mark character. As a given, I have to give example how you get how you get question mark. I declare same thing. I want to declare character. Okay, I want to remove declare character is equal to ch1 equal 98. Okay, and another again character ch2 declare character ch2 260 260 and okay, this is good. Whatever I written and to yes and to cut this name. Whenever write those in character CSO 98 and character CSO declare CSO 261, please observe the what is the output. What is the output? First, when you compile, always compile behind the range 0 to 2 in the between 0 to 2 range. If you get any number, then it is converted to ASCII value. Convert is ASCII value. After the 255, then compiler give a question mark symbol. Simple, I compile it. There is no compiler. If I execute, listen that. Observe question mark. Compare it. First output is CH1 because 98 ASCII value of 98 is what? D. D is ASCII value of 98. 98. and whenever 260, the answer is question mark. Suppose I okay, suppose I write another thing, same type of statement I write. Suppose 260 I given, suppose 450. Okay, and I want to see the output. Whenever I compile it, there is no compile time error. When I execute it, same thing. You get, sorry, already defined. Sorry, C is not defined. Yes. Whenever I want to compile it, see the answer. Also, it is the first one is also 260 question mark. Second, CS3 is question mark. That means if you declare, in between 0 to 250 number, then you get an output of ASCII value. After the you take whatever number you declare, then you get what? You get question mark up to what? Up to the range, to the range number. I think you got an idea about those things. And second thing I want to explain, when we can assign literal to character variable, the same way we can assign int variable to character variable. Okay, there is a question, when we can assign literal to character variable, the same way can you assign the variable to the int variable to character? No, the answer is no, because in that type range is greater than the range of data type. In variable range is bigger than data type, so that we cannot assign. That time we get compile time error. Okay, and another question is, there are many times come in interview. Uh, what is the basically that question? What is the, why get question mark in the answer, maximum smiley face? That was one of the range, depend upon range. The range is mandatory that. Okay, this is for today. I think you have gotten an idea. Okay, fine. This was, thank you.